The 5 whys technique is a method for determining the underlying cause of a problem by repeatedly asking why. Instead of merely addressing a problem's symptoms, the objective is to identify its root cause. Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Motor Corporation, created the technique as part of the company's total quality control process. Since then, it has been widely adopted by industries including manufacturing, healthcare, and service sectors. Since then, it has been widely adopted by industries including manufacturing, healthcare, and service sectors. The procedure is simple and straightforward. Start by identifying the issue you're trying to resolve, and then ask why 5 times to determine the root cause. For instance, if you are attempting to determine the root cause of a customer complaint about slow delivery, you might ask, why was delivery so slow? Why was the shipment delayed at customs? Why was the paperwork disorganized? Why were the forms not properly filled out? Why did the employee lack proper training? By asking why 5 times, you are able to get to the root cause of the problem rather than simply treating the symptom. The 5 whys technique is a simple yet effective tool that can be used to solve a variety of problems, including customer complaints and production issues. It is a quick and simple method, but it is not always accurate, and in some cases it does not get to the root of the problem. Consequently, it is beneficial to combine it with other tools such as the fishbone diagram or Pareto analysis. The 5 whys technique is a popular method for problem solving and determining the root cause of an issue. It is a straightforward and effective tool that can assist organizations in identifying and addressing underlying problems, as opposed to simply treating symptoms. To get the most out of the 5 whys method, it is necessary to combine it with other tools for a more precise and comprehensive analysis. The 5 whys technique can provide significant benefits to a business, particularly an aerospace component manufacturing and product development firm. Here are a few examples of how this technique can be used to improve processes and increase efficiency in such a company. 1. Identifying and removing production bottlenecks. The 5 whys can be used to identify and eliminate production bottlenecks. For instance, if a production line is experiencing delays, the 5 whys can be used to determine the underlying cause of the issue. By asking why is the production line delayed 5 times, the company may discover that a lack of employee training on a specific piece of equipment is the root cause. The company can provide the necessary training and eliminate the bottleneck with this information. The 5 whys can also be used to enhance product quality by identifying and resolving defects. For instance, if a company has a high rate of defective components, the 5 whys can be used to determine the root cause of the issue. By asking why are there so many defective components 5 times, the company may determine that a lack of quality control procedures is the underlying cause. The company can implement quality control procedures and improve product quality with this information. 3. Cost reduction. The 5 whys can be used to identify and reduce production and product development costs. For instance, if a business is experiencing high material costs, the 5 whys can be used to determine the underlying cause of the issue. By asking why are material costs so high 5 times, the business may discover that improper inventory management is the root cause. The company can improve inventory management and cut costs with this information, enhancing customer satisfaction. For instance, if a business receives a large number of customer complaints, the 5 whys can be used to determine the source of the issue. By asking why are there so many customer complaints 5 times, the business may discover that ineffective communication with customers is the root cause. With this information, the company can improve customer communication and satisfaction. The 5 whys technique can provide significant benefits for a manufacturing and product development company. By identifying and resolving underlying issues, the business can improve processes, increase efficiency, reduce costs, and boost customer satisfaction. The 5 whys is a simple and effective problem-solving technique that should be added to the company's problem-solving arsenal.